My view is that school governors have a very important part to play in terms of ensuring that our ambitions and aspirations in the new curriculum actually become a reality for the young people in schools across Wales. There's a number of ways in which that number of roles that governors can play in terms of achieving that, but perhaps two of them I'd like to highlight just now. The first is the very important role of governors in both supporting and challenging the way in which the school that they operate in is addressing the development of the new curriculum and making it a reality for young people. So engaging very directly, understanding why the new curriculum is being developed, and constantly supporting and asking the right questions about what that means for young people in the school. But the second dimension, I think, is also important, and that is, quite rightly, parents more generally will have concerns about what they perceive to be changes to the curriculum, and will want reassurance that this is not something which is simply experimenting with their children or the latest educational fad. So I think governors have a very important role to play in terms of helping to act as that vital link between what's happening inside the school and building the confidence of parents that the way in which that is being done and what's being tried to be achieved through that is in the best interests of their children. So those two roles, helping the school itself to do as good a job as it can in terms of making this a reality, and asking the hard questions about the impact it's having on young people, and secondly helping to build that community of support beyond the school that will ensure that the ambitions that we have for the young people of Wales become a reality in every school in the country.